So I just learned how to do this, but it's so cool I wanted to share and teach you how to do it. There are several other YouTubers who know Stable Diffusion and Photopea better than me. Okay, so this is what Photopea looks like in Stable Diffusion. Here it's the tab, and if you're happy with whatever you created, you can make sure it's highlighted over here, and you can send it to one of these in Stable Diffusion. Make sure you click active layer only. We only have one layer, but that's because I just pulled this up. And this is a little different than the picture we were working with. Okay, so you can send it to image, and you can do in painting if you want. You can send it to extras to enlarge it, or you can enlarge it in control net. There are just more options. You can do a lot more with Photopea in Stable Diffusion, but because my computer is overheating, I'm just going to do this demo in regular Photopea. But again, if you do your editing in Stable Diffusion, you will have a lot more options. Okay, so first we're going to start with this picture. I'm going to make a duplicate copy and keep the original clean and rename the copy to keep it distinct from the background. I had to come back and do the voiceover and not do this live because I guess I was an idiot and was not recording when I was filming earlier. Okay, so I'm bringing in some pictures to work with for the text. And just remember, when you bring them in, you have to select open and place and not just open. Okay, and I'm just scaling this to fit the whole canvas. You can change the size of the picture when you first are in it, or you can choose it and do edit, free transform. And as you'll see later, I got confused which picture is which, so it's important that you don't do what I did and properly rename your layers so you don't get confused, especially if you're going to be working with different pictures and having multiple layers of text. Okay, so to add text, you just click on T and start, and then click on the picture somewhere in the picture, and then start typing your word. To change the position of that layer, that text layer, go to edit, free transform, and then you can move that word around. You can change the font by clicking on T again and selecting a different font, but because we're going to be putting a picture in the text, just make sure you select a pretty fat font. Okay, I'm trying to remember what I was saying earlier, but I have no idea. Okay, so what we need to do next is to select the picture of the flowers and put that above the text layer. But it looks like I probably got confused a little bit over here because I didn't rename my layers. So once the flowers is above the text, you would click on the flowers layer, right click, and then click on clipping mask. You can view or hide a layer by clicking on the eye to the left of the layer. Okay, and then to merge this text to the flowers, I'm going to hit Shift and then right click to merge the layers. But I think I did that too early because, as you'll see, I got a little confused about what was what. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing for the next word. Just learn. Okay, I'm going to change the font, so just do the same thing as last time. Okay, and then again, drag the picture layer above the text layer. Alright, so in free transform, you can move the image around to where you want the colors to be. That looks good. Click confirm, and then I'm going to merge these two layers by clicking on clicking on Shift and right click, merge layers. Okay, so now we're going to do the third text. I'm just going to use this cat picture. Okay, click on the T for text and then type. That's way too big. Okay, I have to decrease that. Let's go to 100. See how that goes. Oh, it's still too big. Okay. But I'm going to change the font. Click on T. Wait, click on T. Let's find a font I like, but fat again. Dun, dun. Maybe this one? Okay. Okay, that looks good. Let's move it somewhere with some interesting, maybe the whiskers area. Okay. Now we have to take this layer and put it above the text. And then right click the picture, clipping mask. Cool, okay. And then edit freeform to move it to where it looks interesting. Can't really tell, it's a cat, maybe, but it's just for demonstration. Maybe right here with some of the glosses and the nose. The roosters are trying to get in my YouTube video. Okay, now maybe here. Okay, shift and then merge layers. Okay, and then we can look at how everything looks. Wait, okay, yeah. Okay, so we want to move that. Maybe here, here, here. Okay, then I want to move. I should rename these. I don't know what's what. Maybe it's this one. Wait, no. Is it this one? Okay, I forgot. Oh no, letters. So it's important to name your. Oops, that's not it. Maybe it's this one? Okay, let's just take everything out. Okay, it's this one. Okay, I have to rename this. Just double click on it to rename it. Okay, so I want to move this one. Bring everything back. Edit, free transform. Wait, that's the wrong one. What? Oh my god. Okay, so to rename this one. Oh, what? Why am I getting very confused over here? Oh no, this one. Okay. Okay. Now, figured it out. Okay, so I want to move Photopea a little bit this way. Okay. There's a few other things we can do to make the text a little more interesting. It's getting late over here, so I might go a little fast. Okay, so we're in the learn layer and I made a rasterized copy by going down here and clicking on the circle in a square button to create this rasterized layer, and then we're going to go up here and play around with these options. That's subtract, pin light, dark color. Let's look at luminosity. Can't talk when I'm tired. That just looks really monotone. Saturation, hue. Oh my god, what was the one I liked? Okay, like I said, it's getting late over here. I am going to start becoming incoherent if I wasn't already. I just went back to normal, but let's play around with a few other things. So we're gonna go to this button. Wait, did it work? Okay, so we're gonna go to this button here. It looks like EFF or ELF. And click drop shadow. Okay. And let's look at the size. So if you, gosh, you can't really see it really. We have to increase the opacity. Wait, uncheck this one. Guess it's hard to see. Wait, let's undo this one. Oh. Okay. This is one again, drop shadow. Oh yeah, okay. Now you can see it. Spread, distance. Okay, let's like maybe right here. And I wanted to show you what this button does, bevel and emboss. It's kind of hard to see here. Okay, so I'm gonna hit OK. And then bring back the background. Bevel and emboss. Okay, so we're in bevel and emboss now, and then we're going to play around with the meters. Oh, here we go. So then make some changes. That looks very, I don't know what. Soften. I don't know. It's interesting. You can also change the angle. Let me hit OK. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm really super tired now. I could probably finish this tomorrow, but if you like this picture, you can click on all of these and merge, or you can just go to File, Export as PNG or JPEG, and then save it in your folder. And there are a lot of other tools in Photopea or Photopea. I think it looks like Photopea. But this is already a super long video. I was thinking it would be 5 minutes. I guess you can watch it in a faster speed. I might record a part 2 if people are interested. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please like if you like this video and subscribe. Thank you.